Yeah, welcome back, guys. So this is J Prophet in the house, and otherwise known as Pip Shooter. So it's been a long time, guys, and I'm really grateful. I just want to use this medium to welcome my wonderful subscribers back to the channel again. So here, guys, yeah. So let's jump into the video. So if this is your first time jumping on our channel or watching our video, please do make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to get more updates as I'm going to be updating and keep on giving you guys content, right? Very great content and information that will help you in your long-term trading career. Right, so let's get into the video. The reason why you click this video probably is because of the caption. Yeah, reasons why you keep losing trading support and resistance. Yeah, so that's just the real fact. That's the truth. So let's get into this video with some live examples, guys. So let's get into this video with some live example. All right. So, but before that, let me show you guys something. Okay. So here, this is a diagram of support and resistance structure. Okay, this is literally what we are being taught as traders or beginner traders all the time. Everybody carries this same information, telling us that we sell at resistance, we buy at support level, right? So if you're going to believe me, all right, if you're going to believe me, I'm going to shortly tell you that this support and resistance or this way of trading or this approach to the market in this manner is wrong. Okay, this support and resistance kind of structure and pattern of trading is something that is being shared or is being taught to beginner traders or traders out there by the higher level of traders. I'm talking about the institutional traders. This is something they created, something they know that they're going to be using against us. They taught us something and they're using that thing against us. Okay, so this is the normal support and resistance we all know. Or this is the normal way of trading support and resistance. We sell support, so you buy support and sell resistance. All right. So guys, without saying much, let me show you guys the real deal. This is what you're being taught, but here is actually how the market is. The diagram and the market is not the same. Okay, so guys, let's jump in and let me show you guys some real life examples. And then I believe after you're done watching this video, you will start looking for a better way to trade and then drop support and resistance trading. All right. For you to trade and be profitable in the market, you need to have a systematic approach to the market and not all about support and resistance levels. Trading support and resistance levels is something else. If you're trading alone, you're really going to make losses upon losses upon losses. Okay, so here is an example, guys. For you people that like continuation trading, all right, continuation trading in the sense that, okay, in your mind, uh hold on, your mind, this is an uptrend. Yeah, this is an uptrend market. So at this point right here, we have this resistance. The market came down, probably tested its trend line at this point, and then moves up, breaks this level of resistance here. So what are you anticipating or what are you waiting for? You're always there waiting for a buy. So what happens, guys? See, your stop loss, no matter where your stop loss is at this point, you're being taken out, and that's a red flag and a loss for you. Okay, so like I said, I don't want to make the video that long, so I'll just have to be quick about it. All right, so now over here, so let's see another example. So this is our overall resistance level. Okay, overall resistance level at this point, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So here we have a touch over here, sell, moves up over here, moves up. And then here is double touch over here. Right. So on this double touch, finally, if you had sold here, if you were that wise enough to like I should just say lucky enough. All right, if you were lucky enough and knows what you're doing at this point, you sold and you made profit. All right, that's okay. So at this point right here, the market breaks out as it broke out of this resistance line because the market have been in a long-term trend and it's going up at this point. You're always there anticipating a buy. So what happens? You're waiting for a retest, yeah, and your stop loss just below this level. So what happens? The market comes down, takes you out, and then you're a gunner, bro. There's a loss for you. All right, so let's check out another one over here, guys. We have what's it called? we have our support level at this point. So at this point, guys, you're always there waiting for what? You're always there waiting for a sell. If a breakout, I'm selling. So in this particular area now, at every resistance and support level, there are always two types of traders present at that point: buyers and sellers. All right. So at this point right here, see what happens, guys. Even over here, the buyers and sellers are being taken out. Even though you're there as a support and resistance trader and you're a buyer, either a buyer or a seller, you are being taken out at this area. So if you're a seller, you always sell at the resistance, put your stop loss above, you're being taken out. And then if you're a buyer waiting for a retest comes in a little bit and then you buy, your stop loss gets it. So at this point, buyer and seller, you're being terminated. Okay. So like, let me show you guys another example. Uh, let me show you on VIX 10, 1S. Like I said, I don't want to make the video that long. Snappy, I just want to pass out information. So this is my findings so far on VIX 10 index, right? So right here, you as a beginner trader, yeah, I always call them beginner traders because I believe with time, once you keep on trading, unless you are so blind that you don't want to get a mentor, you don't want to learn from somebody that has already been into the market for a very long time, all right, and you're there blindly trading, trying to make it off of yourself. You can actually make it off of yourself, but the truth remains the truth. You're going to pay for it with money and losses. All right, so here over here, so we have this market consolidate over here around this area from this point to this point, from this point to this point. So we have a breakout of this level, and then something that looks like a retest at this point. So what happens? You jump in for a sell, and what happens, bro? Your stop loss got hit or gets hit. Sorry. So over here, so in this scenario whereby I have two trades over here, this thing currently means buyers and sellers being taken out at the same time. So at this point right here, we have support and resistance level. We have support level, sorry. Touch here, touch one, touch two, touch three, touch four. So on this touch four, probably you're waiting to buy. So here the market pulls up some candles up and you think, okay, this support level is going to go. You're jumping for a buy, and then what happens? Your stop loss gets hit. And then you as the seller waiting at the support level for it to break, it breaks and retests a little bit. What happens? You enter for a sell and then your stop loss gets hit. Support and resistance doesn't work. Yeah, let me just put it like that. It doesn't work. I won't say it doesn't work, but if you're trading it that way alone, bro, you're on fire. Honestly speaking, you're on fire. So let's say here over here we got a break of structure, resistance point breaking or broken. Here you wait for a retest of the level and then to buy at the retest, and then what happens? Your stop loss got hit because you saw a double bottom at this point. So you want to buy at the breakout of the neckline. Same thing here, same thing, it doesn't change. Over here, we have multiple touches on the support level. The market breaks out, retest at this point. So you want to go for short. What happens? Your stop loss gets taken out. All right, so let me show you guys another trade over here. Let me show you what is it called? Jump 100. All right. So let me show you jump 100. Sorry about the delay. Probably that's how Derive is. It's not that fast. Okay. So here, guys. So today, this is the recent market. Probably this is today's market. Yeah, today's market. Yeah. So we took this trade in the in my free group. So yeah, if you're not on my Telegram channel, please go down to the description box below. Click the link. This is my channel. This is where we get free signals on volatility, boom and crash. That's what we trade there. So go down to the description box below. Click the link over there. So if you're looking for mentorship, yeah, and how to avoid and know how to trade and be a profitable trader, go down still to the description box. Chat me, message me on my WhatsApp number over there so we can get to talk and how you can get mentored. All right, so here, over here, we have this resistance point over here. So let me extend that. Normally, this is how you guys extend it probably. Okay, so here, the market breaks out of this resistance point. What are you waiting for? The market throws a candle up, all right, or impulsively moves up, comes down, consolidates around this point, pushes up a little bit. So what happens? You as a trader, you get in for a buy. All right, what happens? I'm sorry, you. All right, that goes down. So that's a loss for you. All right, that's a foul loss for you. Okay, so let me show you guys how we trade. Let me show you guys how we trade. A little tip of how I trade. I cut this trade from here from here this point down to this point. I made over $217 on this trade. Okay, so like let me show you guys. So immediately I see this break of resistance point, and then the market impulsively comes down. Probably this, I'll say this as a correction, and then another impulse move, another correction. So impulse move, and then a little bit of correction, which I will see clearly on the 5 minute. So literally, this is where we gotten on this trade. I sent it out on the free group. So like I said, go down to the description box and join my Telegram channel where I share free signals. This is where I enter the market and I had my stop loss just above this level. Okay. And then this is it, guys. We cut it from beginning to the end. This was where I had my take profit. So the take profit got hit. Okay, so let me show you guys the trade. Let you know, be like, it's just a say or something. Okay, let me show you guys the trade. What am I going to see this right now? Preview. Okay. Hold on, guys. So, yeah, let me go to my file. Hold on. Okay. Just some patience, guys. Let me show you the trade. We took currently in the VIP. That should be in my downloads. Okay. So this is the trade, guys. This is the trade over here. All right. Okay. So this is the trade, guys. This is the trade over here. As you can see, I gave it out. And then let me show you guys the next one. Um, where's my file? I keep forgetting my file. Open. Okay. Keep forgetting my file. All right. Let me show you guys through my email. I got it right there. Okay. So guys, this is the trade. This is the trade right here. This was the sell at this point, and then here is the aftermath of what happened on the trade. This is the aftermath. As you can see, the take profit got hit, and this was when I sent it out to the group on my Telegram channel, the Pip Trader channel. So as you can see, the trade over there, sell jump 100 index, right on time. Guys, see, this was when we sold the market. Okay, this was when we sold the market. All right. Okay, so back to our trade. So this is how we trade. So guys, if you really like this video and want to see more information content, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then give us a like so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people out there on YouTube, so on beginner traders, so that they can learn as well as you are learning. All right, guys, so with no further ado, it's Pip Trader in the building, J Profit, otherwise known as J Profit, like I said. And let's call it a day, guys. Thank you.